Are you tired of spending hours searching the internet for a diffuser blend that smells nice? Let's make this sweet mint diffuser blend so your house can feel invigorating and refreshed. Because with this recipe, you will go from feeling sluggish and tired to invigorated in no time. Hi there, I'm Summer Whitneyman, certified aromatherapist who loves teaching you how to use your essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing, and let's get ready to get started. Here's what you need to make this recipe. You'll grab Annistar, peppermint, clove, your sticker sheet, and your recipe card all from your Simply Earth monthly recipe box. You'll grab your 5 milliliter bottle from your big bonus box. Let's get started. You will need to add 51 drops of peppermint. Drop time. Woohoo. You'll need 33 drops of clove. And lastly, you'll need 16 drops of Annistar. You want to screw that lid on super tight and then give it a good shake for 30 seconds or so. Now it's time to sticker your creation. So great. Look at that. You can make this. I love how refreshing and uplifting this blend is. Now I love to see your creations, so make sure to take lots of photos and tag From Simply Earth with hashtag I made this. The Simply Earth monthly recipe box makes it so easy to make all natural recipes. Go make it.